Hi guys, in today's video I talk about how to start building relationships on the wedding day, in the morning of the wedding day. Hi guys, if we have not met before, my name is Yana Shellman and I'm a wedding photographer in Philadelphia and New Jersey area. And today I am continuing my series of mornings of the wedding days, getting ready time. And today I would like to give you a few tips and a few ideas on how to start building relationships right there in the morning when you arrive. So obviously, when you are coming into the room, you are going to say hello in a very friendly and positive way to the bride, or I guess whoever will be opening the door for you. And then make sure to say hello to everyone. Look at everyone and say hello, nice to meet you, ask their name, tell them you do not promise to remember everyone's names, and everyone will understand. People are a lot more understanding than sometimes we feel that we might be judged, but in most of the cases people understand really well. Like if you don't remember someone's name until the end of the day, they probably will not care too much. So say hello to everyone. Make sure to say hello to the parents. If you do not see a person who look like could be a mom or a dad or whatever, actually don't make assumptions who is a parent. Just ask, oh, is your mom here, or is your future mother-in-law here? Ask where that person is, and then in a very excited manner say, oh, hello, so nice to meet you. Finally, like we had such a good time with your daughter during the engagement session, or with your son. Possibly make a few comments of how silly they are, like a few meaningful comments to whatever reflects their children's personality, of how well they did raising their children. Because parents, I don't know if they do feel enough attention. They probably do, but I feel like you can never get enough compliments, and the more sweet and the more kind you are to everyone, the better footprint you're going to leave, the better impression you're going to leave on everyone. And parents are a set of very important people on that day, so make sure to congratulate them on that day, and make sure to say, like, if you need any photos with any of your like cousins or sisters or parents, like grandparents of the bride and groom, please let me know. I would love to grab that photo for you. So make sure to have a little bit of a like small talk, small conversation with parents, because they will appreciate it, and it will help you to build relationship with them and not just the bride and groom and the bridal party. The next group of people that is important to build a relationship is vendors, because hair and makeup people are there doing the job that you will have the final result for yourself. You will see that beautiful hair and makeup, and whenever you're posting photos, I always encourage everyone to credit hair and makeup people. Make sure to find that 1 minute. I know mornings are busy, just like the whole wedding day. Make sure to stop by and say hello, and maybe give them your phone and let them put in their Instagram handle or their business name, so that you can properly credit them or tag them on social media. And that again also is good for the relationships as well as business, because first of all, if they like you, they potentially could refer future clients to you or become a client themselves. And another thing that they could be doing is reposting your photo, and then your photo and your name is going to get onto their feed, and more people are going to see your face somewhere else, and hopefully get interested in your services as well. So that is another group of people that you should talk to for at least a few minutes, just to make sure that you got to meet each other. And then depending on the location where the bride is getting ready, if they're getting ready at the hotel, you might see a florist or delivery person from the florist office, so make sure to grab a card from them as well. If the bride is getting ready at the venue, you might be able to meet the wedding, the day of coordinator. So make sure to talk to them as well. Ask them, do you need any photos of anything specific? Maybe they would like a few photos of the food that they have just brought, which is like beautiful layout and like all the pretty styling of the food. Maybe they don't have those photos, and like, what does it take you? 3 seconds to grab a few photos of the food, and then they will be happy, and potentially they might be referring you as well. And I guess the last and the most generic group would be basically whoever you meet in the morning. Just be nice to them, try to be helpful. And I understand that you have a job to do and you have a very important task, you need to be concentrated, but if you have ability to get distracted for a minute and say hello and introduce yourself and get their card, do that, because it will help you build relationships and spread your business goodness all over everyone throughout the day. I hope this video was helpful to you so you can grow your relationships and potentially business in the future. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave me a comment below this video or message me on social media. I would love to hear from you. I hope to see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.